Okay guys, I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial of how to order your products online from Localfill. To find our website, you could just type in Localfill, Danville, Kentucky, and click on website to take you to refilldanville.com. You could scroll through here and see really interesting information about how it works and how many bottles we have diverted from landfills and all of that good stuff. You just click on shop here and it's going to take you to our shop page where you can just scroll through and see all the products, or you can go by category. We've got the new gift boxes or bundles that we have our Fall Scented Essentials box in. So if you want the Fall Essentials scent box, you can select your options. Once you click on the product, you can choose your scent and which pack you would like. When you click on that pack, it's going to pop up with a description explaining exactly what it is that's in that pack. If you do the XL, it'll change that to include everything that is in this pack. So once you add that to the cart, you're good for those because those come with the bottles and everything. Now, say you wanted to add some shampoo and conditioner to your order, you're going to have to choose your scents and your container separately. So we're going to go here, and I know that I'm going to go ahead and just get an 8-ounce bottle. So you're going to have to put 8 in the ounces part because we only sell it by the ounce. Now, if you don't want your bottle to be filled up and you just want 4 ounces, that's absolutely fine. Just put 4 in there and add that to your cart. If you don't go in here and choose a bottle, so just type in bottle in the search bar and it should pop up empty amber glass bottles. I'm going to choose a pump bottle. If you don't do this, we will still deliver it. It will just be in a donated container. So just make sure that you choose what you want. And I want a pump bottle for my conditioner. And I'm gonna do a full one. I don't know why it's like that. And I'm gonna add that in there. So then after that, you can go to essential oils. You see how easy that is? I type in the first couple letters and it pops up. And then I'm going to choose my scent here. So for every 8 ounces of products, if you want a medium to a strong scent, you're going to do 2 milliliters, which is how this is sold, of the essential oil you want. So I want tea tree. And so I'm going to do 2 milliliters there. I'm going to add that to my cart. Now, if you have multiple products that you want scented in your cart, you're going to need to leave a note saying which one you want that scent in. So I'm going to go to checkout, where you live, your phone number, all of that. And right here is where you're going to put your special notes. So you're going to say shampoo scented with tea tree oil. And please deliver within 1 hour. Bam. So that's that. And then you're just going to do local pickup if you want to come and grab it, or local delivery at 5 miles. It's actually going to be free when you use that coupon up there. So you're going to put your card number in here. If this isn't clicked on card, you can, or if you don't want to use a card, you want to go ahead and get it all over with and get everything that you could possibly need to swap to plastic free, you can use Klarna and pay over time. And then that makes it simple. It's interest free payments and you're good to go. So you do have the option of paying with Klarna. And you're just going to click that you've accepted and you're going to place your order there after you put your card information in. And we will get the order out to you as soon as we can. You could always give us a call anytime. Our contact information is here on the website. If you scroll down to the bottom here, our phone number or email